Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Pastor Benny. Awesome. Just making sure the audio is good. Blessings upon you guys. Blessings upon you guys. This is Pastor Benny, and I am back with another live Forex trading, live Forex strategies, live Forex tips, live Forex results, live. It's all live. So, I'm going to jump in and we're going to take a look at current trades that I still have running. Again, I am preferably a swing trader. Once I grow an account to a particular amount, I focus on swing trading. However, just to let you guys know that in the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community, I teach you how to scalp, I teach you how to do intraday, and I teach you how to swing trade. So we have strategies for the beginner. We have I can't get it out. We have strategies for the beginner novice. All right. We have strategies for the novice. We have strategies for the intermittent. Man, that's that cable background sneaking in on me. But we have trading strategies for the intermediate trader. We also have strategies for the advanced trader as well. Now, the strategy and workflow that I use, it encompasses all of, or includes all some feature of the different strategies that are being taught in the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community. Now, let's just talk about my indicator. My indicator. Rather, I like to call it my workflow or my workflow template. I don't believe that indicators are the end-all be-all. I think the end-all be-all is learning market structure, market cycle, and what the market manipulation is and what it looks like. Once you do that, you can trade off of a blank chart, really. The indicators, they help us to show us confluence, like you see on the screen. I have moving averages, I have a stochastics, I have a TDI, I have some whole numbers, half numbers, quarter points on here. Now, I don't look at all of that. It's just when I started trading and coming across different things, this is just kind of what stuck on my chart, and so that's what this is. So let me go ahead and enlarge MetaTrader 4 for you guys, so you can really get a good look at everything, and I will bring this handsome face back as soon as possible. It doesn't matter if you don't think so, as long as my wife thinks so, right? All right, we got that chip. All right. Anyway, I'm just joking around this morning. All right, let's take a look at what we got, guys. All right, let me switch over to MetaTrader 4. Okay. All right, so we currently have my trades that I was in last week. I would tell you now, U.S. CAD is really getting on my nerves. CAD JPY, and I say it's getting on my nerves just because it didn't catch out. fast as I would have liked it. But let's take a look at what we got. Now here are some new trades here. Let me see if this will show correctly. Okay, all right. Let's start with the past trades. All right. So currently GBP USD, you guys saw me enter in on that trade last week. You guys saw me enter in on that trade last week, and so we're still trading. All right, and you guys see where I jumped in at. What price point is this? We jumped in at one spot, 296.07. All right, and so far we're up 94 pips now. We have a little bit of a beginning of the week retracement. However, on the 4-hour chart, based on the 4-hour chart, we are still in a downtrend. So from the top, all right. So here, you guys can see where we're still in a downtrend. However, if we spot it here, we do see where the market is trying to make an upward rally, which is true, and I understand this, and I understood this when I entered in on the trade, because when I take a look at the weekly, I see that the weekly is trying to make some pushes up. See, we have a higher low here, but here we have a lower low. So this is really just a pullback on the weekly that's taking place. But again, even on the weekly, we are overall in a downtrend. Want to run it through. So it could possibly be making a little bit of a rally to this zone here, just consolidation, or it could come all the way up to touch our trend line. More than likely, it better, right? It better, but it'll stop out right there. So GBP USD, again, we're up 95 pips now. I think when I was looking at it earlier, I was up 113, I think, or something like that, 113 pips. But nonetheless, let's keep moving on. US CAD, we're still in this trade. US CAD is making its farewell tour at this bottom here on the 4-hour chart. It's just taking forever. You guys see where I got in up here. We're currently 44 pips in the negative. I have my number. I do not have a stop loss. Check news is looking good. So we're okay to let the market play out and do its thing before it jumps up. But if it goes too far, I do have my number where I would stop. But overall, we're doing good. I mean, we're at a $1,500 profit. So even if we traded everything out now, we're looking at the account being almost 8,000. So it's not bad. CAD JPY. This was another one that was taken previously. Where's CAD JPY? Here we go. CAD JPY. We are currently selling it, and it is still making its farewell tour to the top side. And when I say that, I mean that it's just taking forever to drop. So, and that happens. So if we come here, come to our highest points, even if we come to the closest highest point, we see where it has been broken here. But when we go on when we do the proper trend line right here, the trend line hasn't been broken yet. It's just making its rally up. again, trading that pullback. Overall, the market, if we come here, the market is trying to make a reversal, and we can kind of see where the market came down here based on the weekly chart. It came down, followed this trend, broke the trend line, came back and retested it, kind of hovered under it a little bit here, and gave it some price action and started pushing up. Got a higher high here, same low, got a lower high, lower low. So again, overall, this is just a pullback, but overall we are still in a downtrend. If you guys know anything about trending or about trends, you guys know, or even if you don't know, I'm going to tell you how you determine a downtrend, and this is just fundamentals. But how you determine a downtrend would be, like for instance here, lower low, lower high. See, this high is lower than this high. Lower low, this low is lower than this low. Lower high, this high is lower than this high. So on and so forth. So it's in a downtrend. And so even when we come here, you have same level high here, but a higher low, higher high. So let's just go here, higher high, higher low from here, higher high from here, higher low from here, same level high, lower low. See, now we're starting a downtrend. Lower high from here, upper high from here, right? Upper high from here, same low from here, lower high from here, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now we probably have a same level high here. It'll probably consolidate here. So that's what we're looking for that to do. EuroCAD, and again, I'm just sharing with you guys the current trades that I am in. EuroCAD, showing you guys the deficits and the profits at all, because I don't want you to think that you're just gonna get in Forex and win every single trade. There is no 100% strategy. It is investing, right? So we are currently EuroCAD. We're currently buying. Sorry, guys. We're currently buying EuroCAD, and so it'll probably make its push Tuesday upwards. But so we're currently buying that, and we're 11 pips in deficit there. So we're just waiting for the market to take us out of drawdown and for us to start making our profits. So we are looking good there. If you want to take a look at the weekly, let's take a look at the weekly. All right, and so the overall is a downtrend. Once we run it through, all right, it hasn't broken that line yet, but we're catching this pullback, preferably up into this zone here before the market turns back around on us for that. So that is that one. All right. Gold, we're up 127 pips. All right. So that's looking really, really good. Where's gold at? Gold, 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 gold. All right, awesome, gold. So we are selling gold, and gold decided to take off for us, and that is a wonderful thing in our favor. All right, that's a wonderful thing. It's in our favor. We can see on the weekly that we are overall if we come here, we're in a downtrend here, but we do see if we go to the highest point and connect the
most recent high relative to the highest point, we can see where the market is making a rally upward. And so one thing you can do is you can see where this level was created here, right? And then price actually made its way and broke past this level, right? And it actually consolidated on the top. If I can hit the correct level, I'll show you guys. All right, you can see where it broke, came back to retest it. All right, it broke. Finally, it created a level here, came down, got stopped off by the level, and it finally broke that zone. Went up, came back down to test a close area of that zone. Found a little bit of support here, and it kept going. And so the market is turned around for an uptrend, but we're going to catch this pullback before it heads up, and we're going to catch some pips off of that. So we're looking good. We're like 115 pips up on gold. The last one I want to take a look at is the Euro USD, or the last trade I want to explain to you guys, and so you can see, kind of get a feel of why I'm in it, and we are currently buying it. All right, and so the Euro USD, take a look at. And it's still in a downtrend. Okay, if we come here, it's in a downtrend. We go to the most recent. You can see where it broke. It broke this several times, but never really did anything. So that kind of lets us know that our true trend line, or that does let us know that the true trend line is right here. All right, and so it's in a downtrend. It's kind of making a rally up. Probably to retest this trend line again before heading back down for the Euro USD. So, and we're up 7 pips for Euro USD. Let's take a look at the profit. So, or let's categorize this by profit. All right, so let's say our highest profit is gold right now. We're up 124 pips. GBP USD, we're up 100 pips now. Euro USD, we're up 7 pips. Euro CAD, we're negative 7 pips. USD CAD, we're negative 39 pips. CAD JPY, we're negative 36 pips, which is pretty good because we were almost, when I started the stream, we were, about 48 pips in the negative for both of these individually, and so we can kind of see where it gives us a little bit more confidence that we're in the right direction for the trade, because our drawdown is decreasing, and pretty soon we'll be in profit, but we'll keep looking. All right, so right now our overall profit is a little over $1,600, and in counting, again, our gold and GBP USD is what's really pushing us. So if I pull out my handy dandy calculator, we are roughly 127 plus 100 plus 7, 234 pips. We're up 234 pips of profit. So let me click back over to my handsome face. All right, guys. So you guys see the profits. You guys see the live trading. You see that Forex is real. Forex is the foreign exchange of the world's currency. All right. The reason why I like to trade foreign exchange over stock, and you've heard me say this before, is because a country will go out of business. A company will
go out of business before a country does. So that should speak to the stability of Forex, even though we know that nothing is guaranteed. All right, we know that there are risks associated with Forex. All right, and so we should always be aware of that. Never trade money that you cannot afford to lose. Know that past results are not indicative of future profits. All right, so I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy who knows how to trade his Forex. And I have created this community again to help individuals and myself for a better quality of life. And if you guys are interested in doing just what the graphic says, stop forfeiting it and reclaim your power to gain wealth. If you're looking for a mentor or a community that's going to help you to understand when pips make sense, sense makes dollars. All right, and so, and we make it easy. All right, we make it easy. We make it easy. All right, and so if you guys are interested in that, I am going to be coming here pretty soon. I might do it this week, but I'm really leaning towards going to November, even though November is towards the end of the year. You know, it slows down because of the holidays and things of that nature. Not a lot of people are in it, but are trading Forex, but you can find opportunities. And so I am thinking about taking a small account, creating an account, like a $50 or $100 account, and showing you guys how to compound and grow that. Like I said, whenever I'm dealing with a small account, that is when I implement my compounding and scalping strategy. Right? We in and out, growing the account, and once we get up high enough. I'm sorry, guys. My apologies, but once we get enough growth and stability in the account, then we jump over to swing trading. All right, and so you can swing trade a smaller account, but it just does something to our psyche, having to wait forever to grow a $50 or $100, $200 account, $25 account, $10 account, and so usually if you're scalping and you see where, oh man, I just grew the account, by 30 to 50%, you kind of you're encouraged, your psyche, you gain more confidence in your psyche, you gain more confidence in yourself, you gain more confidence in Forex, and then you can switch over to doing the swing trading like what we're doing here today. So you guys see the website on the screen. If you are interested, I have a free tier that you can sign up for, very basic videos teaching you guys how to open up a broker account, how to use the MetaTrader 4, and I think if it's not there, I need to record it, but I'm showing you guys either how to do a simple trend line trade, or either doing the 50-50 method. Now these are methods that I don't recommend anyone who is serious about Forex to use these methods as like the go-to method. But if you're an individual who wants to get into it, and you want to either start, with a demo account or a very, very small account, like a $10 account, and you want to kind of get acclimated to Forex, MetaTrader 4, winning, losing, just kind of get a feel of this whole Forex world and lifestyle. then like the trend line strategy and then the 50-50 strategy are good strategies to go with. Now, if they're not on the website, I know that they are in the Forex vlog playlist. I know that they're there, but I will add that to the free tier. So head over to the teachmefishfx.com, sign up. Again, you can sign up on the free tier. You can sign up on the Pro Trader tier, where you get access to all of the training videos. You also get access to the weekly trade alerts. Okay, and then there is the market beater tier, where you will get you get all that, and you get the free tier, you get the Pro Trader tier, and then you also get my mentorship. You also get the workflow template, Forex workflow template. You'll also get trade alerts, like consistent trade alerts. You'll also get to monitor my terminal, so you'll be able to see exactly what trades I am taking. So again, you guys, please understand that there are risks involved, but trust me, learning how to trade Forex is worth it, regardless of the risk. You just have to have the right mentor. You just have to have the right trading strategy and the right account risk management. All right, that's like the two number one, or the number one and number two, and you can pick which should go where. But the number one and number two quality that you need for trading Forex, or that you need to develop, is patience and risk management, right? Managing your account, like being patient and managing your account. It's okay to take small incremental increases, right? There are going to be days where you're able to take large increases. Like, again, for instance, with this gold trade, let me take it, where's gold at? All right, with this gold trade, if I was trading a small account, okay, and I would have hopped in, right? I don't want to give the method out, but man, God, we're 132 pips up right now. But just to minimize your risk, okay, to minimize your risk, all right, just to minimize your risk. You wouldn't be in this long. Small account, you want to get what you can get out, and wait for another opportunity. All right, I'll show you how to drill down, and you don't need the workflow template. All right, it shows up, but I don't trade this thing on anything lower than the 1 hour, in which I really stay away from it unless I'm trying to get back into something and I need some type of confluence. But I'll show you guys how to drill down and get back in that trade to better your odds. But like I said, when you have a small account, you want to get in and get out, because you don't want to risk just being hit and the market going against you. So that's why I do that with small accounts. And then as we grow the account, again, we can do swing trades, right? Because now that account can take the market fluctuations that come. So also, members, I am coming out with a new strategy, all right, to add to your arsenal. And so that's what I do, guys. We have our main strategy that you learn, but we also have other strategies that I teach, other easy strategies. I promise you, trading Forex is easy, right? These are, if you take a look at the graphic just right below me, you can see the little Jesus fish, and inside the Jesus fish, you can see the euro, the Australian dollar, the US dollar, and the yen symbol, and they all spell easy, right? It's easy. Forex is easy. You just have to have the right information, the right mentor, the right community, the right qualities, right? It's easy. I promise you, it's easy. Now, that does not mean that you will not lose trades. Yes, you will lose trades, especially if you're using stop losses and trailing stops. All right, because when the market fluctuates, it'll hit it, and sometimes I'll miss out on trades because of that, because I know that, hey, I'm not going to be able to be at my chart, be at what I call Forex Central, my main computer, and I'll put in a trailing stop loss, and I'll see like, man, it only went down 50 pips, and I got stopped out, and now, the overall move was like 200 pips. I missed out on it because of the trailing stop. Or sometimes, I put that stop loss in and not giving enough room for the manipulation of the market. And so that's really why I don't use stop losses. Like, I don't. In certain cases, I will, but I don't. I don't use stop losses. And one thing that better help you to not use stop losses and not really have to worry about getting knocked out of your trade is to number one, proper account management. Number two, trading on a higher time frame, even higher than the H4 or the 4-hour time frame, right? And so again, if you can read between the lines, you can definitely get in and start trading Forex. But if you don't want to do all that, if you want to be a part of a good reputable community, I believe that the reputation of the community is growing, and it's a good reputation. Then head over again to the teachmetofisheffects.com. Let's go ahead and jump in. Let's go ahead and create this multiple stream of income, right? Let's go ahead and catch these pips. Let's go ahead and be taught to fish, right? So you can turn around and teach others, right? All right. Those who were taught must teach, and so let's do it. All right. Again, this is not an MLM. This is not a multi-level marketing group. This is a community that I myself, Pastor Benny, has started because I want to see all of God's children. All right. I want to see all of God's children do well. All right. If you have breath, I want to see all of God. I want to see all of God's creation do well. All right. I don't like to see people struggling. I don't like to see it, and so I want to give individuals the practical tools. As I say in some other videos here on this channel, but I want to give individuals some practical tools to obtain at least the practical part of the abundant life, right? And so it's not about getting rich quick, but it's about taking care of you and your family, so you can turn around and take care of your community, and we can in turn change this world. So if you guys are interested in being a part of the community, again, head over to teachmetofisheffects.com. 3 tiers: free tier, $25 pro trader tier, or $50 market beater tier. All right, and let's get in it. All right. And so, all right, we're going to get out of here, guys. Again, there are risks involved in Forex, but trust me, here, this is what I need to do. I need to show you guys the account history. All right. I do this from time to time. I'm not going to sit down and actually do the percentage right now, but you guys, you can see it was deposited here. Loss, win, loss, win, loss, win, loss, win, loss,
trades. I have one. The account is currently up over $1,600 in profit. Again, I can grab this $1,600 right here, and the account will be $3,200 in profit. But we're gonna ride this bad boy out. You guys again can see where gold is. Gold is up 121 pips. GBP USD is up 107 pips. Euro USD is up 6 pips. Euro CAD negative 8 pips. USD CAD negative 38 pips. CAD JPY negative 34 pips. And we know when we've had enough, you know, if it's not gonna go in our favor, we'll go ahead and we'll take our losses and we'll jump back in and we'll get this money, baby. But again, you have to treat Forex like a savings account, you know, an investment account. You know, your 401k. When you look at your 401k statement, you see where you have lost money and you see where you've gained money. All right, and so at the end, again, at the end of the day, here let me pull this, make this big for you guys again. Again, at the end of the day, this is what we're working with. We're working with a profit of $1,600. That's $1,600 in the bank that we can pull out and withdraw in the bank, all right, and still keep our $5,000 in there, all right, and work off that $5,000 again. Or we can take this $1,500 right now, these $1,600 right now, and make it 32, all right. Pulling out $3,200 in a month. In a month? I'm getting excited now. In a month? The old church mothers. In a month? In a month? In a month? Come on, man. Here, let me pull my camera here because I want y'all to see my face. All right, I want y'all to see my face. Let me pull this down because I'm sure you can hear me. Listen, I'm gonna tell you something. I'm just gonna be real. I'm gonna keep it real. And hey, and I have not arrived. I'm trying to get there. But while I'm on my journey, I want to bring as many people with me as I possibly can. All right, and so this black boy who grew up on the east side of Gainesville. Anybody from Gainesville, Florida? You guys know what the deep east is like. All right. It's not very many opportunities for us to do this and do this legally. So, and then even from the other angle, I don't know too many pastors that's showing you how to put money in your pocket. I hear a lot of sermons. I see a lot of workshops on bringing the money into the storehouse, all right? But very seldomly do they actually give you and show you a plan to where you're gonna get to where you can get this money. Plain and simple. Put money in your pocket. Plain and simple. And you know, I don't mean to disrespect to anyone, but it's just the reality. It's just the reality. So I'm not gonna get on my soapbox. Anyway, that's for another video for this channel. Maybe a Bible truth video. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. I hope you guys found some type of inspiration in this video. Maybe you have been encouraged to join the community, and I want you to join the community. All right. All right. What have you done with $25 in the past week? What, you bought lunch? All right, you bought lunch. Man, you better go get you some loaf of bread, some peanut butter and jelly, and save those $25. All right. Join the Pro Trader level. Right? That's going to give you a whole month to learn
to learn how to trade Forex. And while you're in there learning, I'm going to give you some trade alerts. I'm going to give you trade alerts so you can start growing your account. That's a win-win to me. This type of opportunity was not presented to me when I was learning Forex. I was paying $500 and $800 to learn this thing. And so I want to make it affordable for people. So $25 pro trader tier, you get access to all the training videos. You get access to everything. And then the market beater level, which is $50 a month, right? And you can cancel at any time, right? So you can get on your grind and learn everything in a month, right? Have access to me, for 1 month. Cancel your membership and go learn how to trade, or go trade. And then we're always here. You can join back if you wish. And so yeah, I mean, there's money out here, and it doesn't make any sense for us to keep spinning our wheels trying to figure out what it is we're gonna do. Like, this thing is easy. Like this Forex is easy to trade once you have the right knowledge, right? Once you have the right knowledge, the right information. Habakkuk teaches us that the people of God are destroyed for a lack of knowledge. Well, here's your knowledge here. You're gonna go spend thousands upon thousands of dollars getting a degree. And I don't know what the statistic is, but the majority of people who graduate with the degree, they don't get a job, they don't get a career in their field. So the decision is yours. The decision is yours. I don't want to twist any arms, but I just want to be an encouragement again and show you guys that this thing is real. All right, you can do some things with this. You can pay some bills. You can grow your account so you can make some investments. So, all right, guys, let's go ahead and end the video. So again, head over to the teachmeofficialfacts.com. Sign up on whichever tier you're comfortable with, whichever tier you can afford. Start learning how to trade Forex, and let's start making this money. And again, trading. Trading, what am I trying to say? That's not what I'm trying to say. What I'm trying to say is, let's go ahead and start creating a better quality of life for ourselves and our family. And that way we can turn around and do this for the community. And once our communities are doing good and doing better, we can turn around and we can change our world, man. We can change our world. I'm an advocate, not just for the black race, the African American race, the African American race, but just for any and everybody who was not born with a silver spoon in their mouth. And you're looking for a legitimate way to make some changes and strides towards financial freedom and time freedom. So, all right, guys, I'm out of here. My apologies for the video running so long. But then again, I am a preacher. I'm an encourager. So I like to encourage. All right, guys, as always, come on, you can't get around this. You cannot get around this. If you stay in God, you will stay in control. You can put that on me, because I can put that on God, because it's just the truth. If we stay in God, we will stay in control. But until then,